Every year, American drivers spend an average of $12,000 on vehicle maintenance and unexpected repairs. The shocking truth is that approximately 55% of these expenses could be completely avoided with proper automotive knowledge. Many service centers deliberately keep these money-saving secrets to themselves, but today I'm revealing 14 maintenance strategies that will revolutionize your car ownership experience. Stay until the end, because I'll share the most critical advice that could save you thousands of dollars over your vehicle's lifetime. Let's start with an uncomfortable reality. Most drivers completely ignore their transmission fluid condition until catastrophic failure occurs. This vital fluid lubricates, cools, and operates your transmission's complex hydraulic systems that control gear shifting. Check the fluid monthly using the dipstick while the engine runs and transmission is warm from recent driving. Healthy transmission fluid should appear bright red and smell sweet, while dark brown or burnt-smelling fluid indicates immediate replacement necessity. Neglecting this simple check can result in transmission replacement costs exceeding $8,000. Second strategy, master the art of reading your engine's cooling system signals before expensive damage occurs. Your radiator cap should never be removed when the engine is hot, as pressurized coolant can cause severe burns. Instead, check the overflow reservoir when cold and look for proper coolant circulation through the transparent lines. Green, orange, or pink coolant colors indicate different chemical formulations that should never be mixed together. A properly functioning cooling system maintains engine temperature between 180 and 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Third technique, learn to interpret your vehicle's electrical system warning signs through systematic observation. Dimming headlights, slow starter cranking, or dashboard warning lights indicate potential alternator or battery deterioration. Test your battery voltage with a multimeter, which should read 12.6 volts with the engine off. While running, the alternator should produce between 13.5 and 14.5 volts consistently. A failing electrical system can strand you unexpectedly and damage expensive electronic components throughout your vehicle. If you're finding this information valuable, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Your support encourages me to continue sharing these insider maintenance secrets that most mechanics won't voluntarily discuss. Fourth advice, never underestimate the critical importance of proper wheel alignment and balancing maintenance. Misaligned wheels cause uneven tire wear, reduced fuel economy, and dangerous handling characteristics during emergency maneuvers. Signs include vehicle pulling to one side, steering wheel vibration, or premature tire wear on specific edges. Professional alignment should be performed annually or after hitting significant potholes or curbs. Proper alignment can extend tire life by 40% and improve fuel efficiency by up to 3%. Fifth strategy, understand the complex relationship between your air conditioning system and overall engine performance. The AC compressor places additional load on your engine, especially during hot weather or stop-and-go traffic. Clean or replace the cabin air filter every 12,000 miles to maintain proper airflow and system efficiency. A clogged filter forces the system to work harder, reducing cooling capacity and increasing fuel consumption significantly. Regular AC maintenance prevents costly compressor replacement and ensures comfortable driving during extreme weather. Sixth secret, develop expertise in diagnosing brake system problems before they become safety hazards. Squealing noises indicate brake pad wear indicators contacting the rotors, signaling immediate attention requirement. Grinding sounds mean metal-on-metal contact that damages rotors and requires expensive resurfacing or replacement. Brake pedal vibration suggests warped rotors from excessive heat buildup during heavy braking situations. Spongy pedal feel indicates air in the brake lines or brake fluid contamination requiring immediate professional service. Seventh technique, optimize your fuel system performance through strategic maintenance and driving habits. Use top-tier gasoline containing enhanced detergent additives that clean fuel injectors and intake valves naturally. Avoid running your fuel tank below 1/4 full, as this forces the fuel pump to work harder. The fuel pump relies on gasoline for cooling and lubrication, making low fuel levels particularly damaging. Replace the fuel filter according to manufacturer specifications to prevent injector clogging and engine performance issues. Eighth strategy, protect your investment by understanding proper engine break-in procedures for maximum longevity. New engines require gentle treatment during the first 1,000 miles to allow components to properly seat. Avoid sustained high speeds, heavy acceleration, or engine braking during this critical period. Vary your driving speeds and avoid constant RPM operation that prevents proper ring seating. Follow the manufacturer's initial oil change schedule religiously, as break-in creates metal particles requiring removal. Ninth advice: master the science of tire rotation patterns for maximum tread life and performance. Front-wheel drive vehicles require different rotation patterns than rear-wheel or all-wheel drive systems. Directional tires can only be rotated front to back on the same side of the vehicle. Cross-rotation patterns work best for non-directional tires and help ensure even wear across all positions. Proper rotation every 6,000 to 8,000 miles can double tire lifespan and maintain optimal traction. 10th secret: learn to recognize catalytic converter problems before they cause expensive engine damage. A failing converter restricts exhaust flow, causing reduced power, poor fuel economy, and potential engine overheating. The check engine light often illuminates when converter efficiency drops below federal emission standards. Sulfur smell from the exhaust indicates converter overheating that can lead to complete internal meltdown. Converter replacement costs range from $800 to $3,000 depending on vehicle configuration. 11th technique: understand the critical relationship between proper engine timing and fuel efficiency. Modern engines use complex timing systems that adjust ignition and valve timing for optimal performance. Timing belt or chain failure can cause catastrophic engine damage requiring complete rebuilds. Replace timing belts according to manufacturer intervals, typically between 60 and 100,000 miles. Interference engines suffer valve damage if timing components fail, while non-interference engines simply stop running. 12th strategy: develop skills in diagnosing suspension problems through careful observation and testing. Worn shock absorbers cause excessive bouncing, longer stopping distances, and irregular tire wear patterns. Test shocks by pushing down firmly on each corner of the vehicle and counting rebounds. More than one bounce indicates worn dampers that compromise vehicle stability and safety. Replace shocks and struts in pairs to maintain balanced handling characteristics and prevent premature wear. 13th advice: maintain your vehicle's computer systems through proper diagnostic procedures and updates. Modern vehicles contain dozens of electronic control modules that require occasional software updates. Diagnostic trouble codes provide specific information about system malfunctions and required repairs. Keep battery connections clean and tight to prevent voltage fluctuations that damage sensitive electronics. Professional diagnostic equipment can identify intermittent problems before they cause complete system failures. 14th secret: create a comprehensive maintenance schedule tailored to your specific driving conditions and environment. Severe driving conditions include frequent short trips, extreme temperatures, dusty environments, or stop-and-go traffic. These conditions require more frequent oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid inspections than normal driving. Document all maintenance activities to establish patterns and predict future service requirements accurately. Proactive maintenance prevents unexpected failures and maintains optimal vehicle performance throughout ownership. Final essential tip: invest in quality tools and equipment that enable accurate diagnosis and preventive maintenance. A basic toolkit including multimeter, tire pressure gauge, and fluid testing strips empowers informed decisions. Quality tools last decades and pay for themselves through avoided diagnostic fees and early problem detection. Understanding your vehicle's systems transforms you from reactive to proactive in maintenance approach. These 14 strategies represent substantial savings and ensure optimal performance throughout your vehicle's operational life. Systematic application of this knowledge makes you an informed owner capable of making intelligent maintenance decisions. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications for my upcoming exclusive automotive insights.